Hey my friends, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna talk about T-shaped capability model. And this model, I would like myself to know it in my earlier stage of my career. Now, let's get started. What is T-shaped capability model? And thinking of the letter T, they have the horizontal part and vertical part. The horizontal part is demonstrate our breadth of the knowledge, and the vertical part is demonstrate our depth of our knowledge. For example, in the earlier of our career, we start as an engineer role, and we will know maybe some programming language, JavaScript, Java, Kotlin, etc. while building web application and building backend services. Now, if we think about it, we are a backend engineer, or maybe the depth is using special language, Java, to build the backend services. The breadth part may be building web page, understanding how the service has been deployed to the cloud, a little bit of touch the AWS. With the time goes on, the more problem is solved, we're gonna start building up T-shaped capability model. We have the capability model, we have breadth and depth, and also solving the problem. This kind of the feedback loop accumulate and also can call it compound our capability. Be aware of the capability, we can review our whole career, think of different stage, have a different depth and different breadth, and help us can solve problem in your whole software development cycle. Usually the breadth touch the whole development cycle. The more wide range problem we have solved, we have more wide knowledge. The deep problem we solved and the skill we build up, we compound our depth. For example, with the many years of the working experience, most of people have the really depth skill in the engineer part, but on solving a problem, we cannot talk to product designer, maybe ops people, QA, and support, and customer support. So our depth is engineer, and the breadth would be a light touch, a product role, thinking in product, a light touch data analytics to understand how our system perform in the production environment. Sometimes we're going to talk about the customer support to response to the customer compliance, what's going on here and how long we can solve the issues. This is about a T-shaped capability model. Now, when we know about T-shaped capability model, how can we adopt it in our day-to-day life? As a software engineer, actually we are the problem solvers. On solving problem, we need to use the different skills and proactively build up to the T-shaped capability model. It can help us thinking the solution in the wider range of the development cycle. This T-shaped capability on my side, we can easily identify our expertise and the weakness. So when we did solving the question, we have to ask some expertise in our weakness part and respect their knowledge and learn from them. Hopefully, this T-shaped capability models are useful for you, and you can start using it from today and build up your T-shaped capability model, achieve your career success. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.